Hi friends, in this video we are discussing about merging of contacts in Odoo 13. So first we want to install the contacts module and then let's go ahead with contacts module. Here we can see different contacts in our Odoo 13 ERP and then view as list and then select any contacts and then in action we can see the option for merge and then click on that. Here we can see the two contacts that we are going to merge and we can select any of them as destination contact and then click on merge contacts button. Then here we can see the contacts are merged. Now we can merge other contacts. First we have to select the number of contacts they are going to merge and then click on merge. After that we can select the destination contact and then merge the contact. Here we can see for safety reasons you cannot merge more than 3 contacts together. You can reopen the wizard several times if needed. Okay, then we have to merge only 3 contacts at a time. So here we can see another message. You cannot merge a contact with one of his parent. Here this contact is the parent of other contact that we are going to merge. So this is not possible. So then we can select other contacts and then go to merge it and then merge the contacts. And then now here this is the destination contact, so we can see only this contact. The other contacts that we are merged is not seeing in this list. So we can see when open the destination contact, the other contacts are here. So this is the main procedure of merging 2 or more contacts in Odoo 13.
Get more details and support